Nature treks, VR, relaxing. Lots of places to go and just hang out. But don't want to spoil it and show you them all. I'm just going to pop to Red Savannah and mess around with the animals. This looks incredible, doesn't it? Look. Nice sense of depth. It's a bit dark though, so let's brighten things up a bit. There we go. Look at Mr. Giraffe, or Mrs. Giraffe. Zebra. Some elephants over here. It's got a funny control system, this game. You can teleport on one hand, or like there's a teleport post, or you can just hold the trigger down on this hand and move forwards. And I believe, look at that, I've got a wasp, a butterfly. Oh, I did have a bird on the stick. That's gone, but look at that. Hideous. Ugh. Don't really like wasps, especially not buzzing in my ears. But yeah, you can just hold out the sticks and wait for something to land. There you go, look. Look at him. Looks like he's missing his tail, doesn't he? Looks a bit stumpy. Is that what you really look like? Crazy birds. Yeah, way off they go. Don't like you though. Oh, look at this big fella. So we'll have a little wander around. Look at the elephants, massive. See how close we can get. There is a border. There's a limit to where you can go, but you can get quite far. Oh, he looks a bit weird there. He was turning around, isn't he? I think that's the edge of the world. That's as far as I can go in that direction. The other thing you can do with these things is you can just lob one of these. Look at that, instant tree. Do another one. Little tree there. That looks like poo. I'm pretty sure it's not poo. That is a rock. It's got to be a butterfly, right? Oh, I've left him up in the sky. Let's do some low down. It's a long way away, doesn't it? These look like flowers. Oh no, that's food. That's going to attract the animals. Look, they're all moving towards me for the food. So that's food. Rain cloud there. Can have a bit of rain coming down. We've got rain and grazing animals. We can probably cause absolute chaos by look, he's gone in the rocks, look. Oh, that's not good. Trapped him. There you go, he's not going anywhere. This is just messed up. Completely cleared the zebra off. Like he's completely stuck. And just give him that. Oh, he's getting out, he's escaping. He's messed up. Probably shouldn't be doing that. There we go, he's got away despite my best efforts to cause chaos. There we go, go somewhere else, I think. I'll call it manning to go somewhere else. Just do one more, I don't want to show you everything. We could do Jurassic, it's tempting, isn't it? Oh, Blue Moon's quite nice, the meadow's nice as well. Obviously the water ones are fabulous. So many options. Let's do the dinosaurs. Everyone loves a dinosaur, don't they? Oh, a spiky thing, I don't know what that's called. Stegosaurus, I know. What have we got in our inventory? Same sort of thing, trees. Whoa, just like that. More rocks. Oh, that's gone into the tree a little bit. Food again. Let's see what we can attract. Who's going to come and feed? Oh, look. coming towards me. Not really though. Let's do a bit more, see what we can conjure up. Let's throw a few of these around. Don't know if it works if you throw more than one. Oh look, there's a big thing over there. If you can see that. They coming this way. See if we can attract someone's attention. Look at this in the sky. I'll call them pterodactyls. I'm sure there's more than just pterodactyls. This does look pretty good, except I can't get close enough to anybody. Or anything. It's got red eye. See, that's the edge of the world. It's a bit of a shame we can't get a bit closer, but there you go. Let's do some speed running. Big dinosaurs are well out of the way. Bet this is quite spooky at night time. You've got nighttime mode, yep. Wrong button. Whoa. See, that is quite eerie. Yeah. Do one more, shall we? One more for the road. What else should we do? It's probably less dramatic, but I remember quite enjoying the meadow one. Where's the meadow one gone? Maybe it was Pine Vista, was it? If they've added any more, maybe it was Green Meadows. This is the one. It's got bunny rabbits and deer or something. And loads of flowers. Look at all the flowers and all the birds. Little bunny rabbit standing up. See if we can give him some food. Whoops. There you go. He's going to love a bit of that. Look at that. It's like Watership Down. Without all the sadness. I think we can plant some flowers as well. Look. Oh, do some more of them. Nice. Look, stag's come to say hello. It's gone straight through a tree. Controversial. There's another tree over there, look. Amazing. Do another one. Cool. Oh. Lots of birds. Some water and a bit of mist on the water here. See if we can do the old stick trick again. Look, we've got a butterfly on it. Look at you. Detail is great. And there's a ladybird. Look. Hey, where did that go? Don't know. Oh, do you want to land on my stick? No. I'll just stand with my arms out. Look. No one interested. Oh, there we go, look. Wow. Look at you. So cool. There's a ladybird there, look. You can land on that stick as well. Yeah, same stick. Amazing, there's bits floating around in the air. There's a lot going on. Water doesn't look particularly fantastic, which is a shame because on the title page it looked great. There's the big stag again, look. So that's that one. More flowers. Beautiful. Bunny rabbits. Oh, come on, let's do one more. We're having too much fun. What else do we want to do? Which looks the most exciting? Do you want to do some water? Let's do some water, shall we? Always a bit terrifying under the sea, isn't it? Whoa! Some sort of statues on benches here. Look, some dolphins, jellyfish. I don't think this one's actually going to be as exciting, although you can, of course, release stuff. Loads of fish. Whoa, look at the big whale over there. Just loads of fish, look. Just dropping them off all over the shop. Where's that big spooky whale gone? It's good, but I've been spoilt by Subside. Really? Looking for the whale. Don't find him. Oh, look at the big ray. Right, Ray. Don't know where that whale went. Some cool looking fish. There's a turtle. Go on, that's giving you a taster. Let's do another one. Oh, I was just going to do one level and mess around with the physics. And here I am now. This one looks pretty, doesn't it? Orange sunset. I mean, nice, but there's not a lot to see, is there? Really? Let's... Oh, it's just night time is the alternative. That's a bit too dark, isn't it? Yeah, it's so dark here, I don't think you're actually going to see an awful lot. Too dark. Too dark. Pretty at a glance, but then not much to actually see. Let's go on then. Twisted my arm. Let's do another one. Do you want to go to the beach? Do you want the stormy one? The blue moon looks enticing, doesn't it, with a windmill? There is the blue moon, there's the windmill, that's nice. Again, it is very dark. Birds or bats? What's going on there? Bats, not... If you can see those. Don't imagine a bat for a minute is going to land on a stick, is it? So it did land on my stick. I don't know if I'd see it in this light. Oh, well, there's an owl though, look. Whoa. Oops. Bit of snap turn going on there. Let's see if we can get close to the owl. We can, but it's so bloody dark you can't see him. Can we make it daylight? I mean, there's sort of daylight. Whoa! Cool. Looks beautiful then, doesn't it? It's a fun little app. Quite simple, but for anyone like new to VR that's just looking for some experiences, maybe a bit of tranquility, it's nice. Whoa. Little taster for one more. Go on then, let's do the snow one. I want to see some snow. White winter. There's a space one there as well. Whoa. Just bunny rabbits and stags again. Well, it's all a bit bleak, isn't it? Can we make it snow? Oh, look. Oh, the old wind's picked up with it. What's a butterfly doing in the snow? That doesn't make much sense, does it? Let's make a wintry tree. There we go. Tall one. Do another one over here. That never gets old. Gosh, flowers really in the snow? Yeah, there they are. Do a few more of them. There's some butterflies out there. Throw down a bit of food because everyone's going to be getting hungry in the snow, aren't they? There's Mr. Owl again. Funny about it's coming out with some grub, look. Nice. But yeah, a little bit barren maybe. Go on then. Let's go to the beach and warm up. Turquoise Cove. Oh, nice. This'll warm us up, won't it? I can't imagine there's trees to throw on this one because, well, there is trees to throw, look. I was expecting some sort of palm tree, but there you go. Do rocks as well. Nice. We got an interesting wildlife about. I'm not seeing much going on other than a couple of twigs. Can I go in the water? A little bit. Can I throw a tree in the water? That would be ridiculous. Yep, that's a thing. Put some rocks next to it. Nice. Not sure it makes a lot of sense, but let's throw some food down, see if anyone turns up. Not actually seeing any animals around. There's no one here. There's no one here to eat. I was expecting a crab to come out of the water. Anyone? No, just a desolate bit of paradise. There we go then. So that is Nature Treks VR. And there's a few that I obviously haven't done. Didn't show you everything. But, well, we've actually done more than I planned to. But there you go. Nice.